Welcome to our lecture online. So far we've seen various types of angles and their associated intercepted arcs where the angle was either at the center, at the edge of the circle, or outside the circle. Now we're going to look at the case where the angles are off-center somewhere inside the circle. Now notice that any opposing angles, of course, they're going to have the same measure. So in this case, we can say that measure of angle 1 must equal to measure of angle 2, but it is equal to half the sum of the measure of the intercepted arc on this side plus the intercepted arc on the other side. All right, let's apply that now to an example, because again, with examples, it's easy to see how to work this out. So first of all, we have a circle here. We have intersection of two chords. Notice that the opposing angles should be the same, so therefore this one should also be 72 degrees. And now we're trying to find the value for this arc right here, the measure of this arc. And we can say that either one of the angles, since they have the same measure, we can say that the measure of this angle, which is 72 degrees, must equal 1/2 times the sum of the two arcs obtended by those two corners right here. And so we can say that this is equal to x degrees plus 21 degrees. All right, so now when we multiply both sides by 2, we get 144 degrees is equal to x degrees plus 21 degrees. So therefore x degrees equals 144 degrees minus 21 degrees, or x degrees is equal to 123 degrees. Another example of that is this one right here, but now we're trying to find this angle right here. Again, using the formula right there, we could say that x degrees must therefore equal 1/2 times the sum of the two arcs that are intersected. And so therefore that would be equal to 88 degrees plus 27 degrees. So this is equal to 1/2 times, that would be 115 degrees, or that would be equal to 57.5 degrees. And that is how easy it is once you know the formula. So anytime that the angle is off-center, not at the center of the circle, not on the edge of the circle, not outside the circle, but off-center, we know that the measure of the angles right here is equal to 1/2 times the sum of the measure of the two arcs that are subtended, or the two arcs that are intersected, as they say. And that is how it's done.